Shalom. May the good Lord be with you. Let us begin our day with a short prayer. Lord, we come unto you as we are. We thank you for all the blessings that you have given unto us. Lord, we surrender our shortcomings. Bless us, anoint us, and fill our mind with new wisdom and guidance to lead our day. The Lord is granting grace. Today, let us meditate on a gratituous soul. How and what does it mean to be a grateful soul? Remember, many times we always imagine, think, and the soul consists of the will and the intellect of a human being, including the emotions. Many times we do not realize whatever we think, we feel, and whatever we wish is a part of our soul. So the Lord is calling unto us today. Always be grateful, and when you are grateful, your soul will emit positive vibrations and it will draw your God near unto you. When your God comes near unto you, He will bless you and fill you, and He will change every situation in your life. Let us make a short prayer. Lord, we thank you for all the blessings that you have given unto us. We thank you for all the graces. The Lord is showing children, young children at different places are being blessed. The Lord is special grace and healing is going around to people who are claiming the promise. Shalom.